Здравствуйте, меня зовут Ольга. Я живу и работаю в Оксфорде, преподавателем английского языка. Сегодня я покажу вам, как работает дистанционное обучение по интернету на примере моего мини-урока, который я составила сама, используя материалы из интернета, а также из учебника New English File Intermediate OUP. Мой урок содержит элементы vocabulary, pronunciation and speaking. Хочу обратить ваше внимание, что в идеале я работаю по коммуникативной методике, а это значит, что родным языком на занятиях мы не пользуемся. Урок рассчитан на студентов уровня Intermediate. Look at these pictures and think how much these things might cost. Is anything worth millions, thousands, or hundreds of pounds? How much do you think they cost in England? A diamond ring costs £1,270. Please note that we pronounce and as na. £270. £270. A matchbox is worth 14p. Please note that 40p is different. Say that again. 14, 40. 14, 40. A loaf of bread is worth £1 or just a pound. A nice country house in an English village costs £350,000. It costs £350,000. After a number, we use hundred, thousand. When we don't talk about numbers, we can say hundreds and thousands. For example, there were hundreds of people in the street. We've been talking about the prices in England. Before we talk about the prices in your country, please say what the currency is in your country. What's the money called in your country? How much is a diamond ring in your country? How much is a matchbox? How much is a loaf of bread? How much is a country cottage? Are these things more expensive than in England? Please look at the table and match the words. After you've matched the words, please look at the sentences, check yourself, and let's say the words again. It costs £7 million. Again, after a number, we use million, thousand, hundred. When we don't talk about the number, we can say millions, thousands, hundreds. It costs $100,000. It costs $1,500. It costs $8.99. With prices, we say $8.99, not 99 cents. Percent. Please note the pronunciation. Percent. We use this word to express percentages. We don't talk about money, we say 0.99. We use naught for zero and point in decimals. A half, a third, a quarter. Please note that we use indefinite article with fractions. 3/4, 6 1/2. Now it's quiz time. Please look at the questions and choose the appropriate option. Question 1. What is the approximate population of Moscow? 4,500,000, 10,250,000, or 15 million? What do you think? Were you right? It's approximately 15 million people. Question 2. What is a half divided by a third? A fourth, a fifth, a sixth. If you are good at mathematics, you know that a half divided by a third is a sixth. Question 3. What percentage of MPs, members of Parliament, in the UK are women? 3.5%, 19.7%, or 47.3%? %19.7% of MPs in the UK are women. How far is it from New York to Los Angeles? 4,506 kilometers, 6,851 kilometers, 8,592 kilometers. It's 4,506 kilometers. And the last question. How many words does the average man say a day? 1,200, 2,400, 3,500. The answer is, the average man says 2,400 words a day. While you speak, I always write down the errors you make, and after speaking we always correct them. And finally, there is a bit of fun homework for you. Answer the questions, then Google and check yourself.